What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're coming at you today from the brand new Helios Grand Resort at Universal Epic Universe. We've had 3 incredible nights at this hotel thus far. We've spent 2 days in the park. It is epic for sure. There's plenty of content out there on the park itself. So I figured for our first visit, we'd really just enjoy the park and kind of take it all in. But today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're heading down to the pool, and we've got a pretty sweet cabana for the afternoon. So we're looking forward to just kind of taking the day off, relaxing, eating some food, drinking some drinks, and yeah, just kind of unwinding by the pool. Room's kind of a wreck, but of course the view is incredible. The hotel itself has been fantastic. We've eaten at Flora Taverna, which is great for breakfast, and we've got a reservation at Bar Helios tonight, which I'm sure will be incredible as well. All right, just came down the elevator right across from the dedicated park entrance, which at the time of recording is for sure the best perk of this hotel, and the early park admission. We've definitely taken advantage of that. Gotten a lot of good rides in. We did Battle of the Ministry in 30 minutes yesterday, so highly recommend. But we're heading over to the pool, which is just right around the corner over here. And here, pretty unique. It's actually in front of the hotel, to the right. And there's the show building for Monsters. You can see the facade over there. Definitely different, but it's incredible. Like I said, we've been down here twice already. Had to cool off midday at the park. It's hot as hell down here. Some bocce over here. How hot is it supposed to be?
96.
Jeez, 96 degrees.
Perfect day for a swim.
It's true. Good pool. Good pool weather. It is stifling in the park.
But I don't mind it was a lot of fun when I went, and everything wasn't even open. So I feel like it's just only getting better. What has been
Lucky number 13.
Welcome in.
Thank you.
This is your cabana. I will give you
Sweet.
a quick rundown.
Okay.
Everything that you're getting with it. Anything to expect from the pool deck. If you guys have any questions, let me know at any time. The fridge will come with all these drinks. You're gonna have 4 Cokes, 4 Diet Cokes, 4 Sprites, 4 bottles of water, and 2 big Fiji bottles of water. They are all complimentary.
All right, you might have heard the explanation. Pretty straightforward. Some good furniture. Got some 2 loungers. Two loungers out here. Included sunscreen, TV. Nice little fan in here. And there's a fridge stocked up. Pretty neat. Fiji's. Those are $8 in the room. Safe on this side. Phone to contact the front desk. Yeah, they got some activities. Pool's open from 9 to 11. He says we have it the entire day. So even if we leave and come back, it's still ours. Party.
Oh yeah, it was really cute. I definitely
Watching the French Open. We've been chilling a bit, so I'm gonna do a quick little tour here. This is the entrance, pool services. You can get your towels, chair covers, sunscreen, that sort of thing. They got water, all your basic amenities, but they, right here up front, they've got another set of cabanas. These are the standard cabanas. I think there's a couple more standard ones in the back. We're actually in a premium cabana that's right in front of the water, as I'm sure you've seen. Pretty cool. We can just, walk straight out into the pool, which is excellent. I think these were $250 for today. We paid $300 for our cabana, and we booked it about 2 months in advance, just because we were so excited. Pretty sick fire pit. It's supposed to be 96 degrees today, so I don't think they turned this thing on for a while, but really cool that they offer it once the weather chills out a little bit. There actually is a little hot tub over here. It's pretty small. I think there's a kid in it, so I'm not gonna show it, but yeah, good enough. Heading towards the Lotus Lagoon. You got bathrooms, the Coke freestyle machines over here. Again, Lotus Lagoon's got everything you could want in a pool bar. I think we're about to get some food here in a minute. Main pool deck, plenty of chairs. We got a DJ setting up over here. Connect 4, cornhole. They got ping pong in the back. And an awesome bar up here. This is the Lotus Lagoon. Some good food options that we'll be checking out later. TVs, some draft beer. Heading over to our cabana. Again, these are the set of 3 over here that are the premium cabanas, and they lead directly into the pool, which is awesome. Restrooms back here right behind us, which is nice because we'll be hydrated throughout the day. I'm certain of that. All right, here we go. 11, 12, and ours is 13. Also included with the cabana, it doesn't get here till 11 because the food service doesn't start until then, but really cool looking fruit tray. Olivia sprung for some Prosecco, looks like. First food order of the day. Damn, that looks good. Crispy chicken sandwich. Slawed up.
I got the hummus.
Nice. Came with some veggies.
And pita.
Alright. Not too bad. Chicken sandwich was super good. A lot of chicken. I don't think I was able to finish it. Super tasty. Would recommend. Meal 1 down. I guess Olivia had the hummus. Looks pretty good. Pretty standard. Just watched Coco Golf win French Open too. That was pretty cool. Yeah. Jay chilling. It's about 12:30. Pool is bumping. Got some cloud cover too, which is nice. Thank God, because it is so hot. Pretty chill though. Quite. Cheers. How was the nap?
Amazing. Comfortable.
Oh yeah. Alright, so it's freaking 7:30. Made it to the end of the day. Definitely forgot to show the cheeseburger that we ate. And Olivia had the, let's see. Chicken avocado wrap. They look pretty good. I don't know, can't complain. I wish there were a little bit more options here at the pool. Unfortunately, compared to the other Lowe's hotels we've been at, like Portofino, Hard Rock, Royal Pacific, options are a little bit more limited, but it's still been an incredible day. Look at this sunset. Doesn't get much better. We're actually heading to Bar Helios here for 8:15 Resi. Come in the afternoon. This is the time to be here. It's dead. Had a beautiful day though. We made it till 7:45. We did good. Man, awesome experience. We'll give a quick review once we were up in the room, but we had a hell of a day. It was a lot of fun. I would recommend. All right, so not so terribly shocking after an entire day at the pool and a dinner reservation, or dessert reservation in this case, at Bar Helios, we completely forgot to film an outro. But as I was saying, I think the Helios Cabana was definitely worth it, especially for our first visit. We've been following along for 5 years now for the construction of Epic, so we kind of had it in our hearts that we were going to blow out our very first visit, and it was nice to splurge, and it's definitely going to be a memory that, you know, we'll cherish for a long time now. I've heard some mixed reviews about this property, and I know a lot of folks are not saying it's worth the price tag, at least, you know, as of recording now. But again, it's not like a theme park of this scale is opening every other day. In the end, we definitely have no regrets. I will say it is incredible to have the park entrance on the backside of Helios coming in and out, especially in the morning. Like I said, we got off Harry Potter in a matter of 30 or 45 minutes, which was insane. Between that, the dining, the extremely nice pool they have, I'd say it is worth doing at least once. We really enjoyed Flora Taverna for breakfast. We actually ended up going back and getting their pizza and some appetizers before we head to the airport. Bar Helios was very cool as well. Unfortunately, we didn't get the best seating in there, but thankfully the view from the room was incredible. Like I said, we were on the 7th floor, I believe. So we were quite a ways up there, and seeing the fountain show once or twice from our room was absolutely incredible. So again, I think it's all really exciting. It's a huge win for Universal, and it's a huge win for theme park enthusiasts in general. So let me know if you've been to Epic Universe, in particular if you stayed at Helios Grand just yet. I would love to hear some of your comments down below and just hear, you know, kind of your experiences. But I really appreciate everyone watching. We'll have plenty more to come in the very near future here. We got a couple parks lined up for a little summer trip. So definitely stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time.